Okay, part 5 is this is where the commitment comes in. This is where the agreement comes in. This is where, okay, like, let's do it. What is gonna, I'm ready. I'm evaluating the moment. I'm ready to move forward. What is it gonna take? And this is where some framework of like SMART goals come in. What is going to be specific enough? Can I measure the outcome? Is this attainable? Is this realistic? Is this timely? And that just kind of forms this little bit of a plan to move to the next step. And so sometimes that's okay. Let's see each other for 6 months. Let's do 6 sessions. Let's come up with a plan and try it for 30 days. And then we'll evaluate our progress. So this is a bit more measurable, where can I observe that these millimeters of creation are good for me right now? Can I gain agreement that I can commit to this? Knowing that it's never going to be perfect. Healing is always, and listening to your body is always 1 step forward and then 2 steps back, 3 steps forward, 4 steps back. It's just this constant ebb and flow, because that's the human experience. And a lot of times in health, we want to not age and we want to never experience disease or death. But that is the one thing that will happen. So can we experience the unexpected with a bit more regulation, so you do feel a little bit more connected? So when the unexpected does happen, you still have this level of peace and you're able to ride the waves of life with a little bit more tact and skill and not get blown over. And a lot of times when I work with disordered eating, they're using their eating disorder to kind of like a boogie board to like press up against the waves. And what happens? The waves are going to knock you over, and then you're just knocked over and you got to start again. So being able to use skills to regulate emotions in your nervous system is like hopping on top of the boogie board and riding the waves. But the first couple times are a disaster because you've never done it before. And so if you have a type A personality where it's like, I don't know how to do this perfectly, and it feels like a failure if I fall off the first time, that's hard. That's really hard when you have that expectation of showing up as an expert for the first time. So step 5 in listening to yourself is gaining agreement and committing to that and moving forward in action. But if you're still paused, there's other things happening that you're just not ready for. There's a lot of grace and compassion and kindness, and having a witness and a coach and someone being there to support you, because ultimately that's where you're going to feel that love. You're going to feel that connection, and that is very healing. We are not meant to do this alone. So using yourself and being able to listen to yourself in those 5 steps, you can do it solo, but having someone to help you along the way is key. Hope this helps. Go back and watch 5 steps to listening to your body, regulating, and using this framework of noticing what's important to you, no judgment, being curious. Are you ready for an action step? Evaluating that, and then gaining agreement and a community of support. I hope this helps, and like, comment, follow along if you want to kind of untangle obstacles in your health and get unstuck. Just, you're kind of sick and tired of being sick and tired. Okay.